Hello guys, in this video I will solve your doubts on the question that is how to add gift cards to the McDonald's app. So, while the McDonald's app doesn't directly support adding gift card as a payment method, you can still use it in a few easy steps. Here's how you can redeem a McDonald's gift card effectively. So, first check your gift card balance. So, you can use the gift card for in-store purchases. The McDonald's app does not allow direct entry of gift cards, but you can still use them for in-person orders. You can simply place your order in the McDonald's app and customize your order as usual and select Pay in Restaurant at checkout. After choosing Pay in Restaurant at checkout, go to the counter or drive-thru, then inform the staff that you would like to pay with a gift card. After this, provide your gift card for payment and the balance will be deducted from that gift card. Now, another way to do this is adding the gift card to a digital wallet. You can use apps like Apple Wallet, Samsung Wallet, or Google Pay to load the card if supported. While ordering, you can select the wallet payment option in the McDonald's app at checkout, then choose Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay as your payment method. Then use the gift card via wallet. Then the gift card balance will be applied to your order through the wallet app. So while you can directly use a gift card in the app, you can still combine deals. Pay in store using a gift card after ordering through the app to take advantage of exclusive discounts or loyalty points. Although you cannot add gift card directly to your McDonald's app, you can use it to pay for orders in store or through digital wallets. Place your order in the app, choose to pay in store, and swipe your gift card for a hassle-free experience. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.